Bugs. We all deal with mosquitoes, ticks, and flies. Whether camping, hiking, or just sitting in your backyard, bug sprays have become a go-to solution. They promise quick relief and protection, but at what cost? The truth is, most conventional bug sprays are loaded with harsh chemicals, many of which were never meant to be on your skin. And while they may keep insects away, they could also be doing serious harm to your body. In today's video, we're diving into the hidden dangers of commercial bug sprays, what they're made of, and why that matters for your health. Then we'll show you how to make a powerful, natural, and completely safe alternative that actually works, using ingredients you can trust. Let's get into it. Let's start by looking at what's really inside conventional bug spray. The most well-known ingredient in commercial repellents is DEET, or N,N-diethyl metatoluamide. It was developed by the U.S. Army in 1946 and is still the most common active ingredient in insect repellents today. DEET is effective, no doubt about it. But the side effects? That's where things get concerning. A review published in Human and Experimental Toxicology noted that exposure to DEET, especially in high concentrations or with repeated use, has been associated with skin irritation, neurotoxicity, and even seizures in rare cases. While these cases are uncommon, they raise red flags, especially when DEET is used on children or applied over large areas of the body. And DEET isn't the only chemical to worry about. Many sprays also include pyrethroids, a synthetic version of natural compounds found in chrysanthemums. While they sound plant-based, don't be fooled. According to the Environmental Protection Agency, pyrethroids can disrupt the nervous system in both insects and humans. Overexposure has been linked to hormone disruption, headaches, and in some cases, respiratory issues. Another concern? Inert ingredients. These are the unnamed other components that manufacturers aren't required to list, but which can make up more than 90% of the product. Some of these include petroleum distillates, fragrance chemicals, and solvents that act as carriers, but may also be toxic, allergenic, or carcinogenic. A report by the Environmental Working Group found that some commercial bug sprays even contained suspected endocrine-disrupting chemicals that mess with your body's hormones, potentially affecting fertility, metabolism, and thyroid function. And let's not forget the impact on the environment. Spraying synthetic chemicals into the air or on your skin doesn't just stay there. It washes off into water systems, seeps into soil, and can even affect non-target insects like bees and butterflies. A 2020 study in environmental pollution found that mosquito control pesticides were contributing to declines in beneficial insect populations, including pollinators. So, yeah, your average bug spray might be doing a lot more than just keeping mosquitoes away. Now here's the good news. You don't need DEET to be protected. Nature already provides us with powerful, proven repellents that are not only safe, but they're incredibly effective when used the right way. One of the best-known natural options is oil of lemon eucalyptus. According to the CDC, it's the only plant-based ingredient that's been approved as an effective mosquito repellent. A 2014 study in the Journal of Insect Science found that lemon eucalyptus oil provided comparable protection to DEET for up to 6 hours in some cases. Then there's lavender oil. Known for its calming scent, lavender also repels mosquitoes, ticks, and even lice. It contains a compound called linalool, which has natural insecticidal properties. Peppermint oil, citronella, tea tree, and cedarwood oil also make the list. These essential oils don't just mask your scent, they actively disrupt the insect's ability to locate and land on you. And when you combine several of these oils, you get a synergistic effect, making your homemade bug spray even more powerful. So, how do you actually make a bug spray that's safe, natural, and effective? Here's a simple DIY bug spray recipe that's been backed by research and loved by people who want to protect their health while staying bug-free. Here are the ingredients. Half a cup of witch hazel. You can also use vodka as an alternative base. Half a cup of distilled water. 30 drops of lemon eucalyptus essential oil. 15 drops of lavender essential oil, 10 drops of tea tree oil, 10 drops of citronella oil, You can also add 1 tablespoon of vegetable glycerin. This will help oils mix and moisturize the skin. In a clean spray bottle, combine the witch hazel and distilled water. Add all the essential oils. Shake well before each use, as natural ingredients will separate over time. Spray on exposed skin and clothing before going outdoors. This blend offers a wide spectrum of protection without the harsh chemicals found in commercial formulas. And the best part? You can feel good about using it on your skin, your kids, and even your pets, though always patch test first. Now, if you want extra staying power, consider adding vanillin, the compound found in vanilla beans. A 2005 study in the Journal of Medical Entomology found that combining vanillin with essential oils increased their effectiveness by slowing evaporation and extending protection time. But here's the thing, just because something is natural doesn't mean it's harmless. Essential oils are powerful, concentrated plant extracts. Always dilute them properly and avoid applying directly to broken skin or near sensitive areas like the eyes or mouth. Pregnant women and people with specific allergies should also check with a healthcare provider before using essential oil blends. You might be wondering, do these natural sprays really work in high-risk areas? Short answer, yes, if used correctly. According to the Journal of Insect Science, lemon eucalyptus oil protected against Aedes aegypti mosquitoes, the ones known to carry Zika and dengue, for up to 6 hours. And peppermint oil has been shown in lab studies to repel mosquitoes for over 2 hours. In many cases, the effectiveness of essential oil sprays depends on how often you reapply, unlike DEET, which may last 8 to 10 hours. Most natural sprays offer 2 to 6 hours of protection, so plan on reapplying every few hours when spending extended time outdoors. But considering you're skipping out on neurotoxicants, hormone disruptors, and skin irritants, the trade-off is well worth it. Other smart bug-fighting tips? Wear light-colored clothing. Mosquitoes are more attracted to dark fabrics. Avoid scented lotions, perfumes, and deodorants. They can draw bugs in. Use a fan on your patio or picnic table. Mosquitoes aren't strong flyers and hate the wind. Remove standing water from your yard to prevent breeding zones. And if you want a home-safe alternative to those toxic outdoor foggers and sprays, try using a natural essential oil diffuser on your porch or inside the house. Peppermint, lemongrass, and lavender oils not only repel insects, they also make your space smell amazing. So, what's the takeaway? Bug sprays don't have to be toxic to work, and protecting your skin shouldn't come at the cost of your health. With just a few natural ingredients, you can create a bug repellent that's safe, effective, and eco-friendly. You'll be keeping the bugs away without inviting toxins in. If this video helped you rethink how you handle bug season, hit the like button, share it with your nature-loving friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Addicted to Health for more real, research-backed ways to protect your body and your home. Stay safe, stay natural, and keep those bugs off the guest list.